Sheet number 1, he said find the product of each of the following. 213 times 5. We can say 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. We write 5 and carry up 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 times 2 equals 10. So result here it will be 1065. Question number 2. He said 307 times 8. We start from right side. We can say 8 times 7. 8 times 7 equals 56. We write 6 down and rise up 5. 8 times 0 equals 0. So here we'll put down 5. 8 times 3 equals 24. So here 307 times 8 equals 2456. Here we have 547 times 9. We can say 7 times 9. 7 times 9 equals 63. We write 3 in the space and we rise up 6. 9 times 4 equals 36. We will count after 46, 47, 48, 49. Yes, it will be. Question number 3, he said 547 times 9. We can say 7 times 9 equals 63. We write 3 and carry up 6. Here we have 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. 36 plus 6, we will count after 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 42, so here we write 2 and carry up 4. 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 plus 4, it will be 49. 547 times 9 equals 4923. Here we have 128 times 6. We can say 8 times 6. 8 times 6 equals 48. We write 8 here and carry up 4. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here we write 6 and carry up 1. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 128 times 6 equals 768. Question number 2. He said complete each of the following. He gave me here question number 1. He said 8 times 1518. We can say 1518 times 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. Here we write 4 and carry up 6. 8 times 1 equals 8. Count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 we write 4 down and carry up 1. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 plus 1 equals 41. Here we write 1 and carry up 4. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals, it will be 12. So here result equals 12,144. Here we have 8 times 1,518. Result equals 12,144. Question number 2, he said 4 times 7 times 10. Here we have 4 times 7. We can say 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 times 10. Here we cancel each of 4 and 7. 28 times 10. We said before, if we want to multiply by 10, we write 0 from right side, and we can say 28 times 1. It will be 28. Here final result equals 280. Question number 3, he said 20 times 800. We'll count how many zeros. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 zeros, so write 3 zeros from right side. After that we can say 2 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. So here 20 times 800 equals 16,000. Question number 4, he said 256 times 3. We can write it under each other. We can say 256 times 3. Here we start from right side. We can say 3 times 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. We can say 8 and carry up 1. Here we have 8 and carry up 1. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16. Here we write 6 and also rise up 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So here 256 times 3 equals 768. Question number 3. He said but less than, equals, or more than. Question 1. 3 times 1,000. 3 times 1,000. Here count how many zeros. We have 3 zeros. 3 times 1 equals 3. And we'll put 3 zeros from right side. 3 times 1,000 equals 3,000. Here in the other side he said 20 times 10. How many zeros? Count how many zeros here. We have 2 zeros. So we'll put 2 zeros. And we can say 2 times 1 equals 2. Now which is greater? 3,000 or 200? Result, it will be more than. 3,000 more than 200. Question 2. He said 186 times 6. We start from right side. 6 times 6 equals 36. We write 6 here and carry up 3. 6 times 8 equals, it will be 48. We will count after 48. 49, 50, 51. We write 1 and carry up 5. 6 times 1 equals 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Result here, it will be 1,116. In the other side he said 200 times 4. Here we have 2 zeros. So here we write 2 zeros. And we'll say 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. Which is greater here? 1,116 or 800. Result, it will be 1,116. Question number 3. He said 37 times 8 or 60 times 40. 7 times 8 equals 56. We write 6 and carry up 5. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 plus 5, it will be 29. Here in the other side he said 60 times 40. We'll count how many zeros. Here we have 2 zeros, so we'll write 2 zeros. And also we can say 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. Now which is greater here? 296 or 2400? Second, it will be greater here. Question number 4. He said 8 times 521. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. We can say 6 and carry up 1 above 5. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 plus 1 equals 41. Here in the other side he said 3 times 1000, so result equals 3000. Which is greater here? Here we have 4168, and in the other side we have 3000. 4168, it will be greater here. Question number 4. Complete in the same pattern. Here we have 4, 16, 64, and so on. 4 to be 16, we can say 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. And here we have 16 times 4. It will be 64. So here 64 times 4 equals, here we have 4 times 4 equals 16. 6 and carry up 1. 4 times 6 equals 4 here, times 6 equals 24. 24 plus 1 equals 25. Also we can say times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. We write 4 and carry up 2. 4 times 5, here we have 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 plus 2 equals 22. Here 2 and carry up 2. 4 times 2, here we have 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So final result equals 1024. B. Choose the correct answer. 0 times 7000 equals, we said before, 0 times any number result, it must be 0. So result here it will be 0. Question number 2, he said 9 times 302 equals 2710 plus base, and here he gave me chosen. Here he said 6 or 7 or 8. We can make 302 times 9. Here 9 times 2 equals 18. 8 carry up 1. 9 times 0 equals 0, and we'll put down 1. 9 times 3 equals 27. So result here it will be 2718. In the other side we have 2710. What is the difference here? We can say 2718 minus 2710. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 7 minus 7 equals 0. And also 2 minus 2, result it will be 0. Final result here we have 8. So 9 times 302, it will be 2718. And here in the other side we have 2710 plus 8. So here chosen here it will be 8. Question 5, he said Nadia bought a dress for 66 pounds. Here we have dress for 66 pounds and 3 books for 7 pounds each. How much do they all cost? First he asked about the price of books. Here we have 3 books. The price of each one equals 17. Here we have 17, and here also 17. Here we have 17. and here also 17. Nadia bought 3 books, so we can say 3 times 17. 3 times 7 equals 21. We can write 1 and carry up 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the price of 3 books equals 51 pounds. Nadia bought also a dress for what? 66 pounds. So total money, it will be 51, the price of box, plus the price of dress equals 66. 1 plus 6 equals 7, and here 5 plus 6 equals 11.